welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lauren and today I am bringing you guys along with me to get ready for Valentine's Day. Personally, my style leans a little bit more on the casual but still make it look cute vibe. I have just never worn like a skin tight dress out to dinner for Valentine's Day. I feel like that's just not me. That's giving like Vegas club meets Fashion Nova meets Wet Seal, and that's just not the vibe for 2022. So if you're looking for something a little bit more sophisticated, a little bit sexy, but you don't want to be overdressed, we're on the same page here. So I hope this video gives you some inspiration because today we are getting ready for ourselves, no one else. Because why, class? You're that bitch. So let's show ourselves some self-love, grab your makeup bag, pick out a cute outfit, and come get ready with me. I think I'm gonna use a mixture of my Artist Couture palette and my Violet Boss. I know they look very similar, but there's a difference, okay? I feel like in The Devil Wears Prada where she pulls out the two belts and she's like, they're so different. I'm thinking I wanna do like a matte look. I think we're feeling a matte look tonight. I'm gonna go in with the color stripped just all over my lid. I don't think I've ever worn like a full-blown dress, like bodycon type of dress to a Valentine's Day dinner. I feel like that only happens in the movies. Am I supposed to be taken out to dinner like that? I don't know. This palette is so dirty, I did not even realize, but I'm going to be going in with the shade Are You Kidding Me into my crease. Okay, I'm gonna take this top color transition and just kind of blend out that cut crease that I did. I'm not gonna lie, like doing your makeup from a distance I always feel like my makeup looks better like versus me like pressed up against the mirror, because that's when things start to go south and then I try to start over. I think it's all an illusion. I'm like, the further back I am, I'm like, oh, it looks good. But it's when you check your makeup in the car mirror. It's always in that lighting where you're like, holy shit, my makeup looks fucked up. That's when you really realize like your foundation doesn't even match your neck. Like you just see how much you fucked up and you're like, wow, I really walked out the house looking like this and nobody told me. All right, about to apply some glue for my lashes. Gonna put on the one and only Ardell Wispies. Like I have been using these since like 2015 and I've tried other lashes, some expensive lashes, and I always go back to these ones. Like nothing beats drugstore lashes. And I'm still loyal to this Duo lash glue. Like we all know it smells like shit. Let's just put it out there. It smells, it stinks. That fishy smell. I'm not gonna say nothing, but I know you're thinking what I'm thinking. I went to Disneyland and rode all these rides where my lashes literally could have flown off. I had tears in my eyes. Like my lashes did not move because of this lash glue. I also think I'm the only person in the world who still uses their hands to apply lashes. Like I've tried those fancy tweezers, just can't do it. Like I feel like I don't have control. So I don't know. I just feel like I can like pinch and like adjust better when I use my hands versus those like bougie lash applicating tweezers. I also hate how time sensitive lashes are. Like if you miss that window of when the glue is like perfectly tacky and it can either be too wet or it turns really dark and it dries, your whole day's ruined. Like for foundation, I'm surprisingly not gonna use my NARS foundation because I use that is like my ride or die foundation. But today we're gonna change things up. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. If y'all have not tried this, like I don't know what to tell you. All right, my lashes look like they're almost ready, but I'm just gonna quickly apply some brown pencil liner and then we're just gonna pop these lashes on because your girl's in panic mode. It's like almost tacky and at that point where you gotta apply them, so we're trying to work quick here. Has anyone else lost their touch when it comes to doing winged liner? Like sometimes I think about the fact that I used to do a winged liner every single day, like in high school at like 7 a.m. before school. Like that is like one of my biggest accomplishments in life. Should I add that to my resume? Like it really is a skill. Fellas, you don't understand. To get your wings to match each other and have one not be higher than the other. It is a skill. Okay, lashes time. Here we go. Ugh, I need a mirror. Quiet on set. Quiet on set. Okay, one down, one to go. Why am I sweating? I'm like literally sweating right now. Okay, girl, if you fuck this up, shit. The glue dried too quick. It's okay, it's okay. We're gonna try it again. We're gonna try again. What do you think is worse? Having your lashes be crooked or your wings liner? I feel like your lashes is like more of a tragedy because that shit looks ridiculous when one lash is like hanging by a thread and the other one is just like wide awake. Oh, okay, it's game time. It is game time. Okay, here we go. Round 2. I'm literally in a deep lunge right now. I know you guys can't see it, but I don't know why this is helping me. Did we get it? Did we get it? Period. She did that. She did that. Not me second guessing if I did it right. Okay, no, we're good. We're good. Also, I'm a dumbass. I realized I should have put on concealer before I did my lashes, but you know what? We're just working with it. Wow, not my battery about to die. The universe really said, you are not getting ready today, girl. Right, it's sculpting time.
It's morphin' time! Yeah!
We are going to bronze with this e.l.f. putty bronzer. I've been loving this stuff. Like, didn't think I would ever use like a kind of a liquidy bronzer product, but I am here for it. And then we're gonna do this blush by Makeup by Mario. This is my favorite. This is called Desert Rose. I just feel like it's the perfect blush tone for my skin tone. Okay, my camera died. Had to go grab my second camera, but we are back. We are back to sculpting. Literally, Mario was like, oh, are you almost done? I'm like, yeah, just like 10 minutes. I still don't even know what I'm gonna wear. You know what I don't understand is like why guys are never ready by the time we're ready. Like you had probably like a good hour to get ready. Honestly, I don't know how some girls like just don't wear blush and like skip this as a part of their makeup routine. Cause like, do you see the difference? I just really feel like blush like wakes you up. It makes you look more like youthful and alive. Okay, moving on to highlighter. Y'all, do I even have to tell y'all what I'm using? Like this is my go-to. I have not strayed away from it ever since I bought it. Like it is just too good. I'm usually very skeptical of like celebrity makeup lines, but Selena Gomez was in her bag, sis. For lip liner, I'm gonna be using the MAC Strip Down, of course. This is like a good old faithful. MAC really paved the way for all of these makeup brands. Like, even though I don't buy MAC products anymore as much as I used to, gotta pay respect where it's due. And what I've been liking is like applying lip liner and then just adding like lip gloss. Like not really having lipstick. See, ooh, you see how much of a difference that makes? Like, I didn't want to commit to like actual lipstick or like a liquid lipstick, but just the subtleness of a lip liner. And I'm just gonna pop on some gloss. Like, all right, here's a little close-up of what the makeup actually looks like. Makeup is done. Still have to apply some gloss, but yeah, just wanted to show you guys. And now we have to figure out what to wear. But I'm feeling the brown tones. I think that's gonna inspire my outfit choice.